As I don't go prison. I used to live in Sotium, Mambo. I am telling you this, giving you evidence and direction for you to know that whatever I'm going to say is not fabricated. I am telling the gospel truth. Now it is Sotium, Mambo. Agradaa Ote Mambo nenim ne kwan so betumi afa ne kwan so akọ Israel. There is a place in Tabora, Israel, Alleges, Israel ho. Ne kwan so betumi afa akọ. Na boni Agradaa di nkofo Sotium ho. Our boys be won fie ho. Sa fie na ya oye videnya ho enye Sotium fie no show. So Sotium fie ko no nte ho. No nte ho na ne boys no ho na obeye sika gare no. Na uko ye sika gare no. Na anye ye na u babak so be jusika nkofo ibe bru. They will beat you to the point that some of them even leave them lifeless. There was a day bi me call Jim na me call Jim Mambo nenim no a pap bi so ye friend no zealous edanenim e wonenim pem e ho na ya me call Jim etinu because Jim na me say boy be young boy be in his early 20s ya bru na ama like Yabuna, the guy was beaten to the extent that even his teeth cry a bit ye. Now was a guy did bleeding. Sano patutu. It's me share na misu die. I mean baby Sammy why I can't ignore. I have to speak to you and ask you what happened. And Ochrim say, ni brother man is kase onfanya document no bra broche, ni bra penny wa broche. No dia bra grad as of 2016, 2015, 2016. 10,000 cedis or their bag or their bra grada so mfa jiska galemano o mani loto na bokotwa loto na manamba eto oba so be jiska no maburu no say boy no a lifeless. There was a hospital at Sotium down ho your friend Agbeve hospital help me. I lie not as a woman of God. Me na me this guy in the call hospital ho that day and no treating no na my friend Ibra cheche bibie mu kire no. Thank God the guy's brother is cool and also okay. Onu de obesa ni miska ba me man is canon fan call na obesani me later and a boy no call for Eastern region and no call back. Another day too, there was an old man where they were in his 50s and also the boss and then his car say on Frank asema meka omo amuti Sotium ho nyina nim say asema meka nya ntro na metra. I am telling the gospel truth. Sotium Mambo, that was where I was living there. And Agradaa fie from Mambo no and why you can walk just like 20 steps or footsteps kwana we do the feel ho. Hono ye siga gare no papa penyi we so ya bruno that day eno de o man plan bebre said a young boy eti guy papa no be pie e free gym ho se me beto watermelon and I me say papa ni di moja eba and I me bisan say den ye no me ya hu so free oba ya no say ya no for eti me free gym for no say omumbra mu so omumba already Agradaa boys no amma obia warning was so to mo say unim to be bebisa Agradaa say obisa direction na o ke bibi kire no omo chiwa omakun I swear Bible says you should swear. I lie not. Obia watina Sotium from 2014, 2015, 2016 up to 2018, 2019. Bisan kwe asema make. Men try and order. Men try and asem we hu. Ana papa no osini bad scam no 50,000 cedis. So far to asase a man or this kind of Agradaa as a man in his 50s on from Agradaa na Agradaa ndobo obaye no Agradaa man loto number okotwa yamba na oba back no eno mabu no papa penyi o na am say we dey scan so na me cheche mu say sa na otie eti how ba ubisa na say ye beka che say ye nim no because ye be mount direction ye akọ scam o ana say ye ngoka bibi okọ che boys no ma be bru ye ntino ye careful eti that day me am say onko Sotium police station I didn't even work out that day. We go straight to Sotium police station. And I mean papa ni kwaya na so church asem no. What to Sotium police station for ho nyina. See, if anybody in that police station as at that time the year I'm giving, say asema me come bonya metua ni panika. He bought all the police people in that station. So when you go there to report Agradaa, they will tell you that she didn't force you to come. She just did the advert and on beka chose who nim nyansa Agradaa no as ano ye na also buy to move you or year of for mechi watu. Papa penyiwe, I had to give money to that old man. I don't know how he went to resolve the issue with his son. I mean, he said any easy. So, omochi Agradaa and then say actually I'm 50 years in prison. I'm the happiest woman on earth. You said, oh, you are a prophetess. You shouldn't be happy about somebody's downfall. Agradaa have harmed people. One, they fear name hono. The fear anymore. There is this church our Maya no say prayer camp forest be aya bushy. Omo to me boo sa boys no. Omo to me brewer no matter to sao. People die untimely because of Agradaa. People run mad. A lot of bad things happened to people because of Agradaa. He took people's good. There was one day he took some woman. I didn't see him. I was living with the area where but in Chayanti, a CBI said a bias and I ho, na ye pie. There was this Muslim woman be, or yet to say Hajiafoni be, and Agradaa, or quite Agradaa, Mammy Penny to say, and no Agradaa also on the bus camano, and Agradaa Suchini dear, and on him there Mamini, Mamnusuya, Nimani, or Cosisa boys, more than 50 boys. No money not to motor soon on Baho. Me see this thing I'm saying. Those in Sotium till now will come and bear me witness that I am not lying. Me see this woman came with boys, no my year holding you know says how much boys no money more no and I'm say where the mommy I was saying Agradaa said every day on any better scanning pet because on one man is or money direction one year and I didn't say yeah my many the boys if mafia who that they know. And that was the only woman I can say she retrieved her money from Agradaa. A lot of people were scammed. Agradaa was scamming people. And Agradaa harmed people. Hey, people died. His boys can even kill you if you try Agradaa. His boys can kill you. So wouldn't now obi baho be shisha Agradaa now see or yes scam or yes say ya the boys no do amudi be yawuno omo amuti somso. Everybody was scared of Agradaa in Somtium. Obia so Agradaa I was Somtium. People were scared of this woman. And today, God being so good, she has been sentenced. I am happy. Oh, she should go and learn a lesson. Those of you feeling pity for her, I pity for this woman. Oh, some of us who lived in her area, we know her. Don't ever feel pity for her. The macho men so. Chai, and I ne, nyamietineto, and I ne nyamietinuku. Mama Evelyn, the woman who sentenced her, Mama, as a prophetess, I pray for you. You will live long. I pray that nothing will cause harm into your health. I pray that nothing will harm you. I pray that you will live long. I pray over your health. Every health condition you are battling with. As I am saying this, I'm saying things prophetically. But Mommy, as I'm praying for you right now, woman, Mommy, I pray that you will live long. Any health issue that you are battling with, let it be corrected. Mommy, you don't know the justice you have done for the whole world. You don't know the justice you have done for people. You don't know what this woman has done for people. Agradaa. Nazia was scam. You are not their chowa poor. Is that how you say it? No, they are did do attempts to be a hen. Or did the Empress gift the attempts or your hen you will need dino. Empress gift to see a scam to so on. I can also be a Japanese to so do Agradaa. Farewell to you. Farewell to you.
Sabe, ya so muna koka no. What you before some kwasem no so no. We appointee our present government. Now who Agradaa so obel na wo gina ho. Na wo chia keke e se mahama pamu. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Now here attention keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye boapayo. Hey, wa dimatem wa dimi that be decided Sammy muano. But I'm going to dare her. What parfait no koi. One more Hopeson and no more me Empress gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma. Would you me say but to a challenge? So I saw your bapa. One your one more meeting. No only matem. Metina tum. Na me dina kokoto so. Ah, how can you do that? Yeah, maybe. Sammy Gyamfi ayida ne video so. Anda wo kasa na de wa say kasa no. Wo yendi senior wakoma beti. Look, Sammy Gyamfi should call this woman and tell her say free and with immediate effect. One person na meeting ebe pfi na no biom. One person obehu ne mfoni e won a page biom. You should be able to do that. Yamu biya is of no effect because he am famous Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi should call him. Hey, one yi na do film man on body defense bi ama no. Because near wo je no. What shampo for bufu? Look, baby, I said, Nissi, no, be a me call a year, but if you want to answer, I be more eba. Yes, you want to my yebano. I mean, I'm not here, name my boy, my boy, honorable, baby, big a camera in the other. Eh, bonnie, so be more bibi. We more big Miss Oania Monte na Monche. Now, what share sa video ni pa? Now, what share Said no say Halasi Samia.
Sir.
Sammy Obia or your fair.
Or searching the account.
Look, in no position. One day, Nami was reading Bisa. And I'm going free Samuel. Was in over here, and I'm sure. Or say, oh, when you grab me, say, oh, we didn't come me, Pefu Gagramo. In no position. Oh, men not make a chero. NAPO campaign was one of the regions.
Sammy Gyamfi.
Men not me say. And I'm saying, oh, and I may send you in the photo account to Mumamiana. I know you account in the year, and I'm so okay. Was okay, why you know, a bit of my family may say, I may say, was sending Miska, I was shocked.
Sammy Gyamfi.
This is the guy in the opposition. Sir, Mahu, dear Etienne, before some about video ya ye. What's that? What shall no? Nanu Kunu, walk on one and the Kunu Queen. And the phone was starting so weak. But now Agradaa Jailed, but some video in Angasano. No bitch in the Kunechi. I'm sorry, money. Or no catch or Muso Munka. And we can to Moko will free the left side, ever right side. So be capture Sikano. Sabi Obino Winisika. Last time it is Sammy. What's over 24 years no? No 50 acres. No, you can say 50 workers. That would do Wotu omuka na de yedu kuma se ase enim Sammy Gyamfi lounge ni ade wodu ho dwumra se ni amanfo gu ho ni ade so on ye no eti se wo enye se wa bas keke
ama papa ye no
me na me ka cho enye se wa ba ke no se o Agradaa ho fenti Jessica
program
no won na wo ka che ni se wo hia fu e
and wo ma
wo hwe kra na Sammy ense da mu ano wo de hwe se no ye se o ade yenko kadum na me nkwaje and I just have Koko written a camu. Not know we say, Obi video. Eti Bonnie Bay say, what who will be? Then the partner says he can't woman be. Now, we are government appointed. Just one government appointed. Above than Bonnie. A brand new opposition, no attempt of candidate Ramanga. The video be an Bawumia Campaign. Look at this. What I can skate it. They just said what you think.
Minister be obe candidate kakra bi on Agradaa ne jail no 15 years.
Mugabe.
Jana chia ahwefo na etiefo. Agradaa yi ne de.
And I say a conviction into the
let's hold it. It's a
conviction.
It's not a sentence.
Yes, but once you are convicted, you are not. The sentence is just a matter of time. You will come on. So the important thing is that the court now they find her guilty, and I think that it's a lesson to everybody. You see, you can fool the people some of the time. You can't fool all the people all the time, as put by Bob Marley. You know who the Agradaa activities. I won't go into much detail, but the noise in town, it has come to stop. And this is where the law is the law, and you must pay for the sins that you committed. And for me, I have sometimes you look at Obiano as one way do sini. One day he doesn't believe in Christ. Immediately I will jai sana juma do say juma na obaye no conform. Then he said that he's open a church and people are going. Sometimes do you blame Agradaa? Obi also know a conform or you do see no one Christ and energy. Then immediately Agradaa jai hon now embra no addiction also a Christian. Then people are going to her. What sort of Christianity is that? How do we worship our Christianity? Do we worship him in faith and in truth and in spirit? If we do, why would Christians say that? Until you know you're Christian, but be that at its main, we share the best.
24-hour economy.
No, apart from the Emra, Agradaa who say, one more brapano. I have no right to discuss her morality.
Okay.
Because me, I don't even believe in religion. I'm not a religious person. I just have a relationship with God, and that's it. I don't have anything called religion in me. I used to have it, because I believe so strongly, say, the ultimate is God, and that's it. I don't try to want to, because sebi me nipa obia will seem to one home. I quite remember that there were times that people were questioning why Agradaa will not repent, and today she has repented, in quote, as to whether Nyankopon ebefa Agradaa seneba and I say on fanono. It doesn't lie in anyone's mouth. Sebi. Yenye ni ebu aten. Ebetimi yi na ten. Se ni suba bi nye. Se okojina property so etwa bojo mahama. Afi eye si wantan no aba begina onum. Afi osi debi o.
Your mama debi.
And you could see how she was trying. 3 days ago, she was trying her best to at least
get closer to the president.
Get closer and say hi.
And she succeeded.
A similar thing happened. Sa nimbi ayasapon eboye no.
Emeto nyum hanewo.
Yekwa yen kanchi reja se abuo bi achi Joseph se yehu ashrawa abuo bi bachi wusu na wi.
Se
yehu ashrawa wawuna sampa obe sorry Yesu dimu.
Meto jom.
What you say? Sa nyum no e jom ama na ebo ma no.
Te no beto jom.
Usana Joseph na mi nyum se wa ton.
Oh, Israel.
We are seeing. Oh, na esusuya ewo ni nuanu mutiri no na ono na abedi hini afi ni nuanu no ase omo nyanko ampo oti ase na omaye omadwen se ekomo ton John Mahama e ma na tamfo ba na tamfo tono o ma tona boarding
neto jom
entino meme de it's about how karma and time efficiently works. Nipa bi wo a obetimi agunani mu ase obedwam obetimi atetena pansan but you nyame ehira no ehira no otamfo ontimi nye onyame nhira ehwe
Yehowa
entino
shira no
I think say Agradaa ene tese owusu dempa. I remember so vividly when obi a was say moja wojo Mahama nsa afei it got to a point where na sofu body kobi ne baba ko akaba bi Nyankopon fa ne kransie na owusu bempe ya ono si John Mahama moja won say wa force wa PM feature so person John Mahama twa picture and I must say me mpini ma ne twa picture no. I remember I was sofu body kobi asori and then me no say I think John Mahama has found them new friends. He doesn't have any hatred. He's not vindictive.
It is good.
And that is how I want those that call themselves Christians to learn.
Very well.
Sabi usua sa brabona ube hu se Christ di wanimu a umfa me na se pomfa boni hye utirimu fa nye unu abone we mu madribia no
enemento nyum
enti se manto no dia
enemento nyum
mento nyum
ni Yehowa
shirano Shirano Oni pentu min se John Mahama nyame shirano na kwanyina shira Oni pentu min se John Mahama nyame shirano na kwanyina shira Oh, say there be a say the NPP MP. Nisuni faso ma o my Ghana. NPP MP be anyone is so about faso ma o my way da. From time immemorial to date, none of the MPs or the NPP MPs no bet me actually say me constituency way my bobra a sebi eso ni na me bra me boy ama sebi impuntuo papa bi aba me constituency bi ni ho. There be a mede Muntaka Mubarak, Honorable, the Interior Minister, the able Interior Minister. Deni Champwa. Asante Maka Krakaya we Onupe and the constituency FA.
Yeah.
Tell but baby a problem if you Asante to call him body mamuso.
Pakosoni area.
Baby o here constituency work rampo no. And you fete say Muntaka constituency.
He has done very well.
So it tells you that MP Bia from Adokofo to NAPO. Why mention MP no? Me so am for sure. They always take the people for granted. Now imagine say we just want to add to the numbers and that's it. Unfortunately for them, this thing called social media, especially social media, ya ba for contemporary, and now Mark Lebi anywhere will tell him asem. Social media, who say mami ditro MPP na the papa. Aye di achire. When him say MPP akron for party, am a boy for party. MP no nipa ekwe free no. No Hopeson Adorye nti omututi ano.
Dey no ye.
Onye papa. This one for so.
O abli kuma na for no.
Me se conference ni ko he. Ono ko ka kire Agradaa Jailed se won ko di krom. Na wo ekwe free ufi.
Ekwe free.
Ufi. Obi a ono ne maame ne papa ti school. Uni nkwala o ma benefited from some school now.
School.
Agradaa school uni how many nkwala no mutimi ntwe school fees a omo benefit aba be graduates.
No pesa we ko kuro mu na Akufo Addo ne papa. Can you imagine? That's how they started from UP time.
We also for so constituency ni there.
Nothing.
We akwa fiye ni we also for so power constituency ni no. Eno ne there. So I think say it's about time ya din your magu in proper perspective. Me hu amayoku a represent candidate we. Me hu amayoku a also present Agradaa Jailed. Then it's a very easy exercise. Aba wo si worry ni. For we pin sheet a wo call ya wo call for quality e fabra. For original pin sheet ba wo ni bi. Now oni mi sinti tem bia make sure say MPP ni onim judge. Onim bra onim judge. Oni pin sheet but onim easy. It will call boss Asare no more say ekwa bia so mun declare me say me yayi. Anu ti na me NDC sha say ya ko ayi. Because why did you allow for another prayer to come to parliament when he had not won the seat? You knew that he had not won the seat.
He lost
abysmally.
He used the cash.
He
used the cash.
Why did you allow such people to come to parliament?
Were bedridden. Say what was it? So I'm born, huh?
What was I? No. And you know,
I can share the video right now. I have the video.
I really got angered by NDC's behavior from the get-go because I felt said they didn't have to allow for some of these miscreants to enter parliament again. However, Emma NDC emfa kukwasa enkwaba to where yekoto ye because said trimude ebetimi aba thinking say after all we have some serious evidence. Let us attend. The reason why I say let us attend is it's a call to duty. Say omamboye ni baba ya MPD ma omambapa Agradaa Jailed enko Aseante Bediatuo na onfam faso onko constituency ni na omo the difference between MPP and NDC MP. Look, the Okekwe South for the first time after 24 years gave Kion the chance. Look, within this short time, he has begun school rehabilitation programs. 60 schools. He's even started. And the launch, the number was here. The able education minister came there, and it was a fantastic, including the government chair. They were there. And so that day, I was so much happy that because it's something that for 24 years they have never seen. Very well. And it tells you say MP no. NDC MP because only said that they have an obligation.
Ghanaians are the same,
I think what we have gotten to Ghanaians are the same, but because they've been winning all the time, it has taken them for granted. All the time, come on, you should for the vote. But the people are changing this and yes, how can a candidate or a former MP tell the candidate can you imagine?
30 seconds, please.
To be MPP for the neighbor almost MP.
Yes.
Wait. It is a Kenyan
na mu ye mi
ana to mo anya oba besia nyansani ya e ka ga obi akoye
ko be won se on papa
ti bon kosu
famisi wa and I want to nyom
Transfer 24-hour economy ahead of what the policy was launched. The passport office, the GPHA, and so on, and other institutions, they've already started implementing and putting programs and policies down for the implementation. And there is CMRANO, it says John Dramani Mahama, the promises he gave to the people of this country will disu. Or Castle Bad, that would be the central point. And the day you would need a Ghana that does not sleep. Ghana and that. We call now big cities now. Businesses are flourishing 24 hours. A month for binimu kofi na binimu so koejuma. Binimu dana binimu so na binimu koejuma. All is to ensure that obia timine ejuma ni hebi. Obia wo programmer. The government you have to enroll on the program to be able to ensure that you take part in the 24-hour economy. The president Nasi say the promise or the buy no. Why are they part the promise now? But then beyond that, no, the presidential staffer in charge of the 24-hour economy, Guzitano obiani mo kromo hanu. They know how he and his team no amaya adie pa to be able to work. Ejuma na mpo na omuya omude ban. They contacted every institution. Obia oye obibia ni contacting for reviews and compile this. And yet it is not the end. This document, no, we call Parliament. There will be a debate on it. Obia or Asamo Bekano, you can also contribute. We are going to carry along the views of the people across the length and breadth of this country. It's going to be a programmer. Obia Timine. Then the process of the program, and not just a universal, no. The 24-hour economy, you must register and have the capacity to do it before you are given security. You have more security, you have more police for no more but criminals and armed robbers cannot attack you. What we are going to do is that electricity will be reduced for those who will be enrolling on the 24-hour economy. So when you want to say 24, now you are not part, you haven't enrolled on the policy, then I think that you cannot benefit. So if you want to benefit, you must first enroll on, and the benefit that comes is the 24-hour security. Tax incentives, you will get what we call electricity reduction, because these are the things that chop so much profit of entrepreneurs and so on. So for me, and it is going to be agri process, including other products that the government, the private led sector will be interested in. So total mobilization of the population across the country. Everybody should be part of it. It is non-partisan. When you say it, it is completely non-partisan. Whether you are NDC, we are MPP chairman of the program. So we will be a program. So it is for the people of this country. It's going to create 1.7 million jobs. 1.7 million jobs, and it is not say no. It's going to be there, and I'm happy that the president himself is going to set up at the presidency and be the chairman. She non-traditional export Mugabe MI 2023 MI $4 billion. It is estimated that by the 5 years time, that non-traditional export alone is going to give us $25 billion.
Wow. A very good initiative.
It is estimated by yes.
Let's look at the
Guzitano is a great guy. So much ideas.
Fantastic.
Guzitano, you can't. You see, sometimes I am this is the fellow the people fear. If Guzitano had been active from the beginning, Anka Nyama, your friend is Bawumia but I'm happy that your mama has identified him and given this special program for him, because it's a new program. You need serious people to manage. You need people who can work and bring it out. He's the right person to do this thing. And I'm happy for him. We are all going to join him. So where the man launch you. The Jumana Kasano we must name Kasano because of the Mumbe Bekovian. Because I have so much ideas on the 24-hour economy. It is a place that we must all put our effort, our energy, our resources to. Succeed Mugabe, Ghana will be one of the best countries in Africa to live.
Very well, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.